My truck's not red and it's not an F-150, but this sure reminds me of the scene Fast and the Furious. It's all car parts. Let's go. It wasn't hard to convince my friend Eric to sell his 328i BMW and get into S4s. I helped him track down this beautiful 2016 S4 with very light front end damage. My brother helped him find a nice RS4 style front bumper. And after all that was put together and done, the first thing he wanted to do was install an exhaust. So he came over to our shop and we helped him.
All the way on the edge. Okay, keep going. Tiny bit. More. Good. Give it a rip.
This car looks amazing now that it's all done, and with this exhaust it just complements us so well. It's such a nice car and it sounds beautiful.